everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the 7 tools that are absolutely essential in running my online business. These tools have been game changers for me, and I think that you'll find them useful too. Running a business is incredibly rewarding, but it does mean juggling a lot of tasks, and these tools help me keep things running smoothly. Stick around to number 7. This is a new addition, and it really helps me with product video trends. So let's jump right in. First up is my iPhone. It's not just a phone, it's pretty much a portable office. I manage everything from social media, checking emails, to even handling customer service on the go. Number 2 is a lightbox. If you're selling physical products, good product photos are key. Number 3 is a computer. A reliable computer is essential for managing your e-commerce platform, processing orders, marketing, handling customer service, and product design. Number 4 is a label printer. This label printer has saved me countless hours. It's incredibly efficient for printing shipping labels, making the packing process faster and even more professional. Number 5 is shipping supplies. Shipping supplies are of course a must. I usually stock up on different sizes of boxes, mailers, and protective fillings. This helps me make sure that my products reach the customer safely and in style. Number 6 is a scale. A reliable scale is another tool I absolutely can't live without. It helps me accurately calculate the shipping costs, which is crucial for pricing my products correctly and saving me on shipping expenses. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting online business tips weekly. Now for the new addition to my toolbox, number 7, overhead phone holder. It's perfect for hands-free recording, packing orders, especially tutorials or demonstrations. It's adjustable, sturdy, and it makes my whole filming process so much easier. So those are the 7 tools that are absolutely essential for running my business. They help enhance productivity, streamline my workflow, and ensure customer satisfaction. I know some of you might be more into digital products, and don't worry if that's the case. Check out my video on how to create and list a digital product on Etsy, Shopify, and Stanstore. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other tools that you find essential, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.